Sarah, wake up. Do you hear that?
What? Is it the alarm?
Yes, it is the smoke alarm.
Oh no, it is so loud.
Get up. The house is dark.
I smell smoke. Strong smoke.
Where are the children?
Leo. Lily? Are you in bed?
They are not answering.
The hallway is full of gray smoke.
Stay low, Crawl.
My eyes hurt. It stings.
To their door, fast.
Leo? Lily? Can you hear Mommy?
Mommy, I am scared.
Daddy, I cannot see.
We are coming. Don't move.
Is the door hot?
I am touching it. Yes, it is warm.
Don't open it. The fire is behind it.
We have to break the door.
No. Kick it.
Cough. Cough. Help.
1, 2, 3, bam.
2 hours earlier, the living room. It is freezing tonight.
The wind is angry. Listen to it.
Whoosh, whoosh. It hits the glass.
I'm wearing 2 sweaters.
Daddy, Mommy?
Leo, why are you out of bed?
I'm cold too. My nose is ice.
Come here, my little penguins.
Can I sleep on the sofa?
No, baby. The sofa is cold too.
The central heat is weak.
My room is the coldest room.
The wind comes through my window.
We need a solution. We need heat.
What about the old heater?
The robot heater? The big one?
Yes. The electric heater in the garage.
It is very old, Sarah.
But it is powerful.
I want the robot heater, please.
Me too. I want to be warm toast.
Okay, I will get it. Here it is, the big beast.
Wow. It is heavy.
It looks scary. It has a face.
It is not scary. It is a machine.
I'm plugging it in. Watch out.
Be careful with the cord.
Click, power on.
Look, it is turning orange.
It glows like a pumpkin.
Do not touch the orange part.
I know, it burns fingers.
Where should we put it?
The rule says 3 feet away.
3 feet from the bed and the wall.
That is in the middle of the room.
I will trip over it.
We have to move it to the side.
Near the window?
Yes, near the white curtain.
Is the curtain safe?
The curtain is short. It is fine.
It feels good. I feel the heat.
Okay, get into bed. Troops.
Covers up, chin up.
Good night, Daddy.
Wait, I hear something.
Daddy, I am still cold.
You have the heater, Leo.
The heat goes up. My feet are down.
My toes are blue. Look.
Oh, Jack. They're really cold.
The heater is far away.
Move it closer. just a little bit.
The safety rule is 3 feet.
2 feet is okay, please.
The room is very drafty, Jack.
If I move it, it is near the curtain.
The curtain is not moving.
Please, Daddy? Just for 5 minutes?
Just for tonight. The storm is bad.
Okay, I will move it closer.
Yay, closer.
Is this better?
Yes, that is perfect heat.
Watch the curtain, Jack.
It is fine. It is heavy.
I am sleepy now. It is warm.
Sleep tight. Don't touch it.
I promise. Good night.
Let's go, Jack. Leave the door open.
Back to present. Sarah, the smell.
I am awake. I smell it.
The alarm is ringing. Beep, beep.
Run, the kids.
Daddy, fire!
Scream, Mommy.
Kick. The door is open.
Oh my God, the curtain is gone.
The fire is eating the window.
Get down. Low, low.
Come to Mommy.
The hall is blocked. Fire is in the hall.
We are trapped.
The window. We must jump.
It is too high, Jack.
No choice. The roof is burning.
I am scared. I don't want to jump.
I will catch you. Trust me.
Break the glass, Jack.
Smash! The glass is broken.
The smoke is black.
Sarah, you go first. Catch the kids.
Okay, I am jumping. 1, 2, 3.
Did you land?
Yes. Throw Leo.
Come here, Leo. Be brave.
Ah!
I got him. I have Leo.
Now, Lily. Come on, princess.
Daddy, come with me.
Go. Jump.
I have her. Jack, jump now.
The ceiling is falling.
Jack.
I am coming. Geronimo.
Clear the area. Back up.
Is my family safe?
Jack, you are bleeding.
It is just a scratch. Are the kids okay?
I am okay. I am coughing.
I am black. Look at my face.
That is soot. It washes off.
Thank you, Chief.
Our house. Look at the bedroom.
It is all black. The window is melted.
How did this start?
It was the heater, the electric one.
Near the curtains?
Yes, and near the bed.
I asked him to move it. It is my fault.
Stop. Look at me, son. It is not your fault. It is the adult's job to say no.
He is right, Leo. I broke the rule.
We knew the rule. 3 feet.
A heater is like a campfire. It needs space.
Fire eats curtains.
Fire eats everything.
I thought just one night.
Fire only needs 1 minute.
We are lucky. We are alive.
You're very lucky.
Next time, check the batteries too.
No more heaters. Never.
I want 10 blankets. No heaters.
Smart girl. Blankets don't burn.
Safety first from now on.
Safety first.
Go to the ambulance. Get warm.
I love you, Dad.
I love you, Leo. I'm sorry.